Alrighty, hello, welcome to the OBGYN ASMR clinic. My name is Lee and I am the one that you will be seeing today for your visit. It looks like you're on the schedule today just for some routine STI testing. Does that sound about right? Okay, now it does look like we don't have you on the phlebotomist line today. Did you need any blood work today? And to clarify, for routine STI screening, we can collect gonorrhea, chlamydia, trichomonas off of a urine or vaginal swab. And then for blood work, it will be hepatitis, syphilis, and HIV. Did you want the blood work today with the swab that we're doing today, or just the swab today? No problem at all. All right, so let me put this down over here. And then I am just going to go into the system just to confirm that all of your medical history is correct. All right. Any changes to your active medications or supplements? Just the vitamin D and calcium. Okay. Any new medical conditions since we last saw you? Any new surgeries, or have you been put under anesthesia for whatever reason recently? When was that? Okay. Were you ever diagnosed with anything at that time? Okay. And then, do you currently smoke or drink any alcohol? So no changes there? Any new family history of breast, ovarian, uterine cancer? Okay. And then sexual activity status. Have you had any new sexual partners since you were last seen? Okay. And how many? Male, females, or both? And do you use any forms of contraception? Any non-hormonal, hormonal? What about barrier methods like condoms? Kind of occasionally. Now, are you having any concerns today? Any urinary symptoms? Burning when you pee, peeing too much? Vaginal symptoms, abnormal odor, itch, discharge? And any pelvic pain symptoms? Tenderness in the area, painful intercourse? All right, and any other general concerns that has been a significant change since the last time we saw you? Okay, perfect. Let me put my laptop over there. I am just gonna put some sanitizer on. We will get your vital signs going, and then I'll give you some privacy while you prep for the pelvic exam. We'll just be doing one vaginal swab collection. I'll take a look just to make sure everything looks healthy for you. Not a problem at all. So let's go ahead here. Grab my stethoscope. We'll start with blood pressure. And if you wouldn't mind just sliding your arm through there. There you go. Okay, I'm just going to place this here. Right. Blood pressure does appear normal today. Sorry about that. I'm just going to there. Let me get this extra air out for you. Alright, and you could slide your arm out of there. Let's just close this up, and then we'll do a temperature check for you. How was your day going now? It's good. We have been so busy today, but you know what? It's worth it. Yeah. Now let me grab the supplies for the temperature check. Anyone around you recently diagnosed with COVID or flu? All right, and are you exhibiting any fever or chills today? All right. Let's place those there. We'll get this prepped. Oh. All right. Now this is a sublingual temperature. It is just going to go underneath your tongue. Throw all of this away. Give me 1 second here. Oh my goodness. I just threw away the alcohol swab that I'm going to need. All right. Let me grab another one of those. My bad. Told you it was a long day. Okay. This is going to go right underneath your tongue. Your temperature is normal today. Let's grab this now. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna place this inside here. Perfect. Re-sanitize. Yeah, no, I think it's great you came in for screening. I think what a lot of people don't realize is even if you don't show any symptoms, you can still have gonorrhea or chlamydia and that sort of thing. So what I'm going to do is I'll actually give you some privacy. We'll only be using the speculum and 1 vaginal swab collection for the gonorrhea, chlamydia, trichomonas. I have a white drape here for you. You can keep everything top-wise on. You'll just get undressed waist down. We'll do external exam, internal speculum exam, and then manual exam with my glove just to make sure you're not feeling any tenderness. But do you have any questions regarding our plan or assessment that we'll be doing? It all makes sense? Perfect. Well, I'm going to give you some privacy. Once you are undressed, if you wouldn't mind scooting all the way to the edge, and then I can always guide you if you're not there yet. For sure. Okay, I'll see you soon. Right, it looks like you are all situated for your STI testing. Do you have any questions at all before I get started on your pelvic exam? You're good to go? Awesome. I am just going to grab some gloves here, and then we will get this going for you. And just to confirm, not having any symptoms down below. Okay. All right, we are actually just going to start off with an external exam on the outside. You let me know if you get too uncomfortable. You're going to feel my gloves here. Just want to make sure I don't see any suspicious moles or lesions. Okay. Outside exam does appear normal. Next up is I'm going to take a speculum to take a look on the inside. And I have my swab ready. All right, you're going to feel some internal pressure. Sorry for all that pressure there. You are doing great. You're going to get that swab collection. Just going to open this file. Okay. The swab is about the size of a Q-tip. Okay. Insert this. You doing okay? Okay. All right. right, let me grab that file. Just kind of mix it around in there to make sure we have a really good representative sample. Okay, that should be sufficient. We are going to close this and send it to the lab. Alright, I am going to take the speculum out. There is no abnormal discharge that was seen today or any abnormal lesions. Cervix does look good. Okay, and then the final part is the internal exam with my glove, where I just make sure you're not having any tenderness or anything like that going on. You okay with the manual exam? Cool. Alright. Last part of the examination here. Let me know if anything is uncomfortable. Any pain here? Okay. Pain there? Okay. And any pain over here? Good. Alright, let me get you covered up there. Your examination is complete today. Grab my sanitizer. So I'm going to send your results off to the lab today. And then, of course, if anything is flagged or something is not normal, I'll give you a call. As far as the physical examination, everything looked really good today. To review again, we did one vaginal swab for gonorrhea, chlamydia, trichomonas. If you would like additional testing, please just let me know with regards to blood work. I will call you if something is not normal, and we will send you the necessary medication as well as treat the partner as well. Once we have the both of you treated, if you were to be positive, we'll maybe want to retest in a few months just to make sure the infection is now gone, just because there are certain infection types that could be resistant to treatment in rare occasions. So we just always like to make sure that's not the case for you. Just have everything on record. I will send you some information through your MyChart portal regarding STI testing, the different types, and the CDC recommendations. But in the meantime, do you have absolutely any questions at all on anything that we did today? Everything makes sense? Perfect. I love to hear it. Well, I am going to give you some privacy to get dressed. The girls will see you at checkout, give you your patient education forms, and feel free to call our office if any other questions come up. You are so very welcome. Have a good day.